get rid of any fears or insecurities, because people think school and they get freaked out. School here is not necessarily the same setting in which you might arrive in a college course. There are these college courses, or these classes do allow you to have college credit. Let me say it that way. So yes, you are taking mathematics, you are taking science, you are taking history, you are using those, but it's specific to the trades. So the math class right now that I'm in is mathematics in the pipes trades. Great, so you know exactly what it's going to be used for. You're going to be in history in terms of what the history of the pipe trades looks like. You're going to get into welding, you're going to get into drawing, you're going to get into how to read blueprints. Like, all these things are specific to the pipe trades. So if you were not good at school, if you did not excel in the academia world, if it's something that maybe scarred you because you had to go to the whiteboard and you had to solve a problem and you totally jacked it up, it's fine. These classes are taught by not only foremen or journeymen, but they're also people who are in the trade, and so they understand that coming to class after work is not the easiest thing, but it's also something that's going to push you to really either excel or completely be discouraged. I know that it's difficult for many to think, oh gosh, I'm going to work full time, and so am I going to be able to have enough time to focus on school? You will have to cater your life to this place, to where you're at, to what you're doing. You will have to, you're going to feel the stretch, especially if you're married like I am. You're going to be communicating more, and you're going to have a plan, you're going to have a schedule, and you won't be able to do things at will. And so I don't know where you are in your life, but we have catered our lives in order to pursue our goals. And so that, and anything that might get in the way of that is dictated and predicated on our goals. And so if it doesn't align or fit in, we generally just have to turn our eyes and say no. And it's for a season. I highly recommend that you get your living situation in order. Try to lower your bills as much as you can. And I would also recommend that you look into using these credits for your college pursuit, even though you may not have gone into this because of the academia. I would not discount yourself because academia does scare you, or going to class does frighten you. The workload is manageable. It's about 10 hours a week, and if you can get on top of that and structure your life properly and give away the morning Saturday or give away the morning Sunday, then I think you're going to really excel in this trade. So hopefully that helps you in making up your mind and being scared of school, because I know I didn't have the best foundation for academia, but when you apply yourself, you're able to learn and understand the material. So get out there, don't be scared. Keep joining, keep watching, keep communicating. If you do have any questions, yet again, I will try my best to help you out.